How to use. At the start of a cube assembly, first select the current cube for assembly, let's say a buzzer, then press the title part of the first column of the second table. This will instantly create a start time if the buzzer is not yet in progress. If press again, it will ask the number of cubes produced during that time. If you notice here, it says that 0 means time start. This could be used after a break to remove the computation used for breaks. So let's say 0. As you can see, it creates another start time. Notice this button up here. This can be used to hide other cubes details and only show the current cube being assembled. Clicking it again will show all the cubes again. Or it can be used to toggle between other cubes.